Today we are at ZUMA Wellness in Alys Beach, Florida. This is an amazing project, state-of-the-art facility that we provided almost all of the interior and exterior millwork products on. So I'm really looking forward to showing you guys some of the very unique products that we provided on this. It's an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous piece of work out here, designed by Nequette Architecture, built by Lord & Son Construction, and just really proud to be a part of this. Looking forward to jumping in and showing you guys what we made. So the first place we want to take you is this beautiful shaded courtyard surrounded by these solid African mahogany blocks that we made that are bird's mouth and blind chamfered and comprise this gorgeous screen wall. This screen wall just really sets a very serene, unique setting here. The way that the light plays off of all of the blind chamfers, bird's mouths, and just creates these amazing patterns in the shadow lines. Just an incredible design and really just makes an very serene, calm setting as you enter the facility here at ZUMA Wellness. The next location is this beautiful interior courtyard here at ZUMA Wellness. You can see the blind chamfered column wraps that we provided along with the tapered blind chamfered and coved in rafters. It creates just an amazing architectural scene out here and sets the tone of just a very relaxing spot to come finish your workout, rest outside. There's also decking that we provided that you can see in the background. So just, again, an amazing display of our work here, and love seeing our product put to good use. Now we've moved on to the interior here of ZUMA Wellness, and you'll see that our products like these blind chamfered mold posts, beautiful ceiling, and really a lot of the paneling beams just bring together a continuous architectural view from exterior to interior. Thank you for joining us today at ZUMA Wellness. It really is such an impressive facility and a great experience for me to see our product installed and enjoyed by so many people. A beautiful architectural building, and just amazing to see our product out here in the field. It's not an experience I get often because much of what we do is in private residences, so seeing the finished product installed and in use is just great. I hope you guys have enjoyed it as much as I have today. We appreciate you joining us this season. I think you're gonna like a lot of what we do. We're gonna spend a lot more time out in the field looking at our product installed in the 30A area and surrounding. So I'll see you next time.